this video, we are going to solve a very interesting question on surds. So we have a square root of 3 plus 2 root 2, and we have 2 plus a square root of 3 minus 2 root 2. And we have to compare and find which is the larger one or which is the smaller, or you can say, are they equal? So these are the three possibilities, right? So let us try to solve this. So here we have 3 plus 2 root 2 and a square root. Now if I have to simplify this, then I will have to get rid of this square root, right? And how can we get rid of this square root? We have to make this a perfect square. So let's say what I will do is, let's say 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to, since we have plus sign, so most likely this would be a plus b whole square. Now a plus b whole square is nothing but a square plus b square plus 2ab. And this will be equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, now if I map them, so a square plus b square will be 3 and 2ab will be 2 root 2. So can I say that ab is equal to root 2 and a square plus b square is equal to 3. So I want two numbers a and b such that their sum of squares is 3. So let's say what I will do is I will take root 2 and I will take 1. So root 2 square is 2 and plus 1 square is 3. So it means that we can rewrite this as root 2 plus 1 whole square, this part, and since there is a square root, so I will put a square root. So obviously this will cancel out. So from here I will get root 2 plus 1. Fine. Now notice one thing. This part and this part is almost same, only difference is minus and plus, right? So can I say that this would be root 2 minus 1 whole square? Right? Fine. So from here I'll get 2, this will be cancelled out, 2 plus root 2 minus 1. So from here I'll get root 2 plus 1. Okay. So from here I got root 2 plus 1 and from here I got root 2 plus 1. So obviously both are same, right? Both are equal. So neither is larger, neither is smaller. So this was a good question actually, once you figure out that this is nothing but square of root 2 plus 1, right? This is a square of root 2 plus 1, and similarly on the same pattern this would be a square of root 2 minus 1. So this way we can solve such questions. So thank you.